Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at how to install Red Dead Redemption on iPhone or iPad. To run, you need iPhone 11 with an A13 chip or newer and iPad from 2020. Also make sure you have iOS 18 and around 8 to 15 gigabytes of free space on your phone. First, download the Sideloady program to your Windows or Mac from the official website. After you install it, wait a bit, especially on Windows, it takes some time to set up. Now open Sideloady. You'll see a window asking you to sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't really trust using your main account, just create another Apple account and use them. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer with a cable and tap Trust this computer on your phone screen. Now assign the RDR IPA file in this area. Click the refresh arrows button. This gives you 7 days to use the game before you need to refresh again. Find the iDevice field and select your phone. If it doesn't show up, download iTunes for Windows or try reconnecting the cable. Use the original Apple cable if you can. Then hit install and don't touch the cable or phone while it's working. The whole process takes around 10 to 20 minutes. If stuck on uploading, check free space on your phone and unlock them. Once you get done, go to your phone. When you open game, they show a message about an untrusted developer. Go to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Manage. Find Developer Account and tap Trust. Now go to Settings, Privacy, and Security. Scroll down and turn on Developer Mode. Your phone will reboot automatically. After that, open the game and let it download the necessary files. You're in. Just remember, every 7 days you need to refresh the certificate, connect your phone, open Sideloady, go to Current Installs, select RDR, and hit refresh. Thanks for watching. If this helped for you, like a video and subscribe for channel. If you have any questions, write them in the comments, and good luck.